Hi guys, it's Maggie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Fashionnova try-on haul. I recently did some shopping on their website and I wanted to show you guys what I got and try them on. I didn't really get as much stuff as I wanted because some stuff weren't in my size, some stuff were sold out. So I still wanted to do this video and still show you guys what I got. But yeah, this is the bag right here. I am going to try everything on. But yeah, make sure to subscribe and let's get started. Okay, so this is the first outfit. The top is the Kiki crop top in black and I got it in a medium. And the jeans are the super high-waisted skinnies in white and I got these in a size 7. These jeans are super nice, super cute. I have them in white, black, and the regular blue jeans. This is actually a repurchase for me. I had gotten this when I was a size 1. I was super skinny. Now I'm up to a size 7, so that's the size I wear now. I also got the Kiki crop top in the color white. If I like something, I'll get them in 2 colors, different shade. In this case, it was black and white. But yeah, it is super cute, super nice. You can dress it up and dress it down depending on what you want to wear. Okay, so this is the next top. It is called the In Session bodysuit in the color black combo. It is super cute. It is a turtleneck. As you can see right here. I wish the sleeves were a little bit longer, but that's okay. This is the back. The material feels really nice. It is super soft. Even though the sleeves are a little bit short, it is still wearable. It is a little bit warm, so if it is a little bit chilly at night, if you're going out with this top, it's gonna be good for that. So it is fall, so if it gets chilly where you are during the fall, this kind of works. You can just add another coat on top. Really cute. Okay, so this is the next piece. It is called the Can't Stop Me cardigan and the color white, obviously. It is super cute, super soft. It is a little bit thin, so it's not gonna keep you that warm, but overall it is super cute. I love the fact that it has pockets. It is the perfect length. It comes right to my knees, so I love the length. I really love this cardigan. I wanted to get it in white because I already have a cardigan in black and I have it in gray and other colors, so the white one I really wanted to get. I'm glad I got it in a medium because it fits super nicely. But yeah, it's a nice addition to the closet. Okay, so I really love these pants. They are called the Victoria high-waisted dress pants in the color lavender. It is super nice. It feels great. It is a little bit big, like on the waist area, but overall it's not that bad. I really love this detail right here. It is super nice. It is also super high-waisted. It is a little bit see-through because you can see the little ticket right here peeping through. It is super long as well, as you can see. Even with heels, it's still going to be too long, so I think I'm gonna get that tailored. But yeah, overall it is super nice. I cannot wait to get it tailored and wear it. Okay, so next is this piece right here. It is called the Chloe belted blazer in the color ivory. It looks like so. It does have a belt. It is super nice. It is a little bit big, but I can deal with it. You can button it on this side or you can just button it the other side. which I think is cool. The buttons look good. It is padded in the top, so if I was to button it, it would look like so, and I can tie it if I want. But yeah, I think I would probably tie it in the back instead and just leave the front like this, or take it out altogether. It does have some fake pockets right here. There's a flap, but there's no actual pocket, so keep that in mind if you're gonna buy it. Okay, so this is the next outfit. It is called the Paying It Forward blazer set in the color mint. This is like the worst color for fall since it's so colorful and almost neon, but it's not neon. But yeah, sometimes you don't want to wear all black to an event or a meeting or whatever you have to go to. Sometimes a nice color like this works. I don't know where I'm gonna wear it to yet, but it's nice to have something this color. But yeah, overall it feels great. The pants are nice. It's not as nice as the purple one. It's not as nice as this one. Obviously this is super nice. I feel like this quality is a little bit better, and the detailing on this I like a little bit more. But yeah, overall these pants are nice. They're just not as nice as the lavender pants like I just said, and I honestly don't like the material. It feels a little bit weird. I don't like that. The blazer has no buttons, no pockets, no nothing. It's just a plain blazer, but overall it is super nice. Okay, so this is the next dress. It is called the Let Me Stare dress in the color black. I got this in a medium. But yeah, it is definitely a going out dress, date night, or even night out with your girls, whatever it might be. It has a super high slit. It is like a spaghetti strap v-neck. This is the back. Obviously you cannot wear a bra with it. Super low cut. This is the slit. It comes below the knees. I mean, it is nice. The quality could be better, but for the price I can't really complain. But yeah, I'm gonna try on the last outfit. Okay, so this is the last dress. It is called the Feeling My Mesh dress. But yeah, it looks like so. This is the last dress I'm trying on. I got this in a size medium. I actually got every single thing in a size medium, just in case you were wondering. But yeah, I saw this dress everywhere, but I decided to get it on Fashionnova when I saw it on there. But I love the color. I love the way it feels. It is mesh, like a mesh material. Like you can actually move it. But yeah, this is it close up. It does look super nice. But yeah, it is a going out dress. Obviously the holidays are coming, so it's a nice holiday dress. I feel like I love the spaghetti straps. I love the fact that it is straight right here. That is very nice. It reaches all the way down to the ankles. Very long and sexy. But yeah, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching this Fashionnova try on haul. Please let me know in the comments down below what was your favorite piece or pieces. And yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys back on my next video. Bye.